DDP's Digital Conclave witnesses an insightful session on the best hospitality practices post-pandemic.
What's going to happen with the hospitality industry? That's what our concern today is. How will hotels operate? What will be the most important things they will change? Will some of the things remain the same? Let's hear this from our panel of experts today.
The most important metric that I look at today as a CEO is the cash flow of the organization. It's not financially possible for you to generate profits or look at those kind of metrics at this point in time.
The survival phase is quite behind us. The revival with ingenuity and ideas and concepts of luring the diner and the experience of the outlet was interesting, but one sees a lot of understanding to that now. We should be stepping into the thriving phase.
What is required is that technology has to play a central role. And I believe that with every problem, a new set of technologies come in. Having a viral defense device that allows spaces to be safe. Having a viral safety device will have to be a standard fitting in every area, every restaurant, every hotel, just like we have air conditioning and lighting.
Do you think there were some changes and some strategic changes which you observed after the second wave? What's your observations on that?
Travel remains a strong force. Even in the first phase and in the second phase, the minute the government opens up an area or flights begin, travel automatically follows. So the travel demand has suffered. Yes, today one of the tick marks you have to do is that is the destination I'm going to or the hotel where I'm going to following safety norms or not.
Are there any what I call as new posts or new trends which you have seen post the second this wave? As a restaurateur, people have been coming in.
Highlighting the food sources on the menu is something that as a suggestion has come from a lot of people, as they would want to know where the source is from. And also we are seeing a strange trend of people moving away from the imported produce.
Is the industry, the hospitality industry, ready to invest in technology? What's your call on that?
There is still confusion about safety aspects. So we are in a situation where our product is too good to be true and therefore unbelievable. And therefore, if the industry could really look at it very carefully, if industry could really put their might behind it together, then winning the consumer confidence that we are back to pre-COVID days in that closed environment is a possibility.
Canada extends India flight ban till the 21st of September. Kazakh Tourism and Thai sign MOU for mutual cooperation. Gujarat Tourism conducts physical B2B roadshow in Hyderabad.